Having trouble charging your phone in your Honda HR-V? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. Let's break down what might be going wrong. First things first, make sure your car is turned on or at least in accessory mode. The wireless charger won't work if the engine is totally off. Next, check that your phone actually supports wireless charging. Not all phones do, and some phone cases are just too thick for the signal to get through. If you have a big, rugged case, try removing it and placing your phone directly on the pad. Look at the charger pad. See any dust or debris? Give it a quick clean. Sometimes that's all it takes. Still not working? Make sure your phone is centered on the pad. Even being off by a little can stop the charging process. If you see a blinking light or no light at all, double check that the charger switch is turned on. There's usually a button nearby. And finally, if none of this works, try restarting your phone or the car's infotainment system. Sometimes technology just needs a quick reset. If you've tried all these tips and your charger still isn't working, it might be time to visit your Honda dealer. There could be a hardware issue needing a professional fix, so before you panic, run through these simple steps. It could save you a trip to the service center. Thanks for watching.